Today we are going to make very tasty tempered dried shrimps. First we need to combine onion, salt, turmeric powder, chili pieces and kochi together. Then keep this aside. After that, heat oil in a pan and add pandan leaves, curry leaves, cinnamon and garlic. Then add dried shrimps into this oil and fry few minutes under low heat. When dried shrimps are well cooked, add prepared onion mixture and cook around 2 to 3 minutes. Add diced tomatoes after checking whether salt and chilies are enough for your taste. After adding tomatoes, cook around 2 to 3 minutes more and then get this out of the stove. This recipe goes very well with anything like rice, milk rice, bread, string hoppers and hoppers. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the bell until we meet again.